Hello, welcome. It's lovely to have you here. Please, sit back and relax. Today, let's talk about focus. Let's talk about being present. Our world is full of sounds and lights and information. It is easy to feel busy but not focused. It is easy to feel distracted. So today we talk about quieting the noise. We talk about finding your focus. I invite you to listen. Stay with me until the end. So, what is focus? Focus is giving your full attention to one thing. It is when your mind is here in this moment, not somewhere else. Think about reading a good book. For a short time, you only see the story. You do not think about your phone. You do not think about your work. That is focus. That is being present. But today, focus is difficult. Why? Because distractions are everywhere. A distraction is something that takes your attention away. Your phone rings. That is a distraction. A new email arrives. That is a distraction. You think about a problem from yesterday. That is also a distraction. These small things pull our attention in many directions. We start one thing, then we stop. We look at another thing, then we stop. Our mind feels full and tired. Let's think about this feeling. Do you know this feeling? Your eyes look at a task, but your mind is far away. You feel busy, but you do not finish anything. You feel tired, but you did not rest. This is the feeling of many distractions. It is not a good feeling. The good news is this: you can change it. You can find your focus. The first step is to see the distractions. Just see them. For 1 minute, be quiet. Listen. What do you hear? Maybe a sound from outside. Maybe music. Look around. What do you see? Maybe an open computer. Maybe many papers on your desk. These are distractions. Now think about your mind. Is your mind thinking about this moment, or is it thinking about the past? Is it worrying about the future? These thoughts are distractions too. The next step is to eliminate. Eliminate means to remove, to take away. We cannot eliminate all distractions, but we can eliminate some. For example, when you want to focus, put your phone in another room. Close the extra windows on your computer. Make your space simple and clean. This helps your eyes. This helps your mind. But we must also eliminate inner distractions, the distractions in our mind. This is more difficult. A simple method is to breathe. Just breathe. Sit quietly, breathe in slowly, breathe out slowly. Do this 3 times. This action tells your mind, come back to now, come back to this moment. Your mind will wander. This is normal. Gently bring it back. This is practice. This is how you build focus. Now, let's talk about being present. Being present means your body and your mind are in the same place. You are here, not yesterday, not tomorrow. Here. When you eat, taste the food. When you listen to a friend, hear their words. When you walk, feel the air. This is being present. It makes life richer. It makes it deeper. A simple life with full attention feels like enough. So remember these ideas. First, see your distractions. Notice them. Second, eliminate what you can. Make your space quiet. Third, breathe to bring your mind back. Practice being here in the present moment. This is not for one day only. This is for every day. 1 minute of focus is a good start, then 2 minutes, then 5. Small steps are powerful steps. You can do this. I believe you can. Your mind wants to focus. It wants to be calm. Give it this chance. Today, Try it. Find one small thing to do with full attention. Maybe drink your tea. Maybe listen to a song. Do only that. Be completely there. See how it feels. Thank you for listening. Thank you for your time and your attention. Wherever you are, I wish you a moment of peace. I wish you focus. Take care.